Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from Candy Crush Saga, which involves understanding in-game currencies and external market values. While the game itself does not offer direct cash withdrawals, players can still earn income. This guide focuses on methods like selling advanced accounts or providing specialized in-game services to others. We will explore how your dedication and progress in the game can transform into real-world value, offering a unique opportunity for resourceful players. Your Candy Crush account gains significant value from reaching high levels, perhaps beyond level 3000. Buyers often seek accounts with many rare boosters, like the striped and wrapped candy combination, ready for immediate use. Completing thousands of levels and achieving top scores demonstrates dedication, making your account much more appealing to those looking to skip the grind. Several online platforms serve as excellent marketplaces for selling high-level gaming accounts. Sites like Player Auctions or Epic NPC are popular choices, alongside dedicated gaming forums where buyers actively seek established profiles. You could also leverage social media groups, offering services to advance other players' accounts for a fee, turning your skill into a profitable venture. Remember to always use secure transaction methods. When pricing your account, research similar Candy Crush accounts already for sale to ensure your price is competitive. Emphasize unique features, perhaps a vast collection of gold bars or 500 powerful boosters, in your listing. Craft a compelling description, detailing all the account's advantages, and include high-quality screenshots showing its progression and available resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.